No, you're lying.
What's up, A1 EDU? I'm Brandon. I'm not your typical tall, bald, bearded guy, but I'm here today. We're going to install a vault door and a couple safes. I'm going to give you a quick walkthrough on the pathway to get there, and then we'll discuss a couple things when we get downstairs. Let's go. As you can see here, our biggest obstacle with this delivery and install is going to be this staircase. You have about 15 steps. Each safe and door all have to come down this. Our biggest obstacle is going to be the overhead with the door. We will find out soon enough when we put a tape measure on it what kind of clearance we're looking to have. After that, we look pretty straightforward to get to the install. Now that you've seen the pathway and the obstacles that we have to overcome to do this installation, here is going to be the cutout in the wall where the door is going to be installed. We do have to put the safes in first because unfortunately once the door is in, the safes no longer fit through that doorway. So we're going to start getting things ready to roll. Let's go meet the team.
Yep.
I just died.
No, you're lying.
Unplug it and plug it back in. Easy. Attached to our safe here is our stair climber. This is what we use to go up and down stairs with safes and doors as well. We've pre-installed over here. The guys are setting it up, a platform. The reason we're putting this here is because of our height restriction right here for the safe and the door. So we're gonna bring these safes and the door over here and shoot it straight off of this to kind of gain the elevation back a little bit so we're not shooting a giant chunk all at the same time. All right, let's roll. I literally can't see. Ready?
Yep.
1, 2, 3.
Yep.
It's fine up here. Once you get down there, that's when it gets hard because I got no leverage.
Close. It's really close. Yeah, from this angle, it's not gonna make it. Might be a little lighter.
Oh!
Yeah.
Oh my God. Seriously.
We might need to come back to me actually. Wiggle out.
Mm-hmm.
Nice and easy. We just have to do it the whole way, gentlemen.
It's fine. I'm kind of pulling upwards.
We're getting there.
Yeah.
We're almost there. All right, I need the battery installed. Clearing that light.
Hey! Yeah, you get
Oh
it.
my God. Coming.
Yes, sir. Get it again.
This. All right, A1 EDU, this is the end of this field trip. I'm going to show you the functionality of the door. We're going to swing it open, and then we'll show you the inside of the vault room where the 2 safes have been installed.
This ain't no regular thing. I came for the ring, you know what I mean. I shoot my shot and it's clean. This is my city, yeah, this is my team. If you talking, it's all to me nice. I play with all of my life. You see my name in the lights. Better get right, champion.